I want to bring it back to the modern world, maybe some advice you can impart on others. We do now have technology, we have gadgets, we have PlayStation, we have TVs, we have internet, we have all of these kind of things. What kind of advice would you give the parents today? They've got 4-year-old, 5-year-old, 6-year-old kids. They want to mold them into students of knowledge, righteous Muslims. How can they do this, considering that there's so much fitna in the world?
Well, my policy with all of that is that you should stop your children from all of that. Yeah, definitely. Games, playing. I never got it when I was a child, and I've not lost out.
You don't regret it or anything?
No, not at all.
Yeah.
Alhamdulillah, I'm actually thankful Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala guided my parents to not bringing games to my house, our house, and television. I truly benefited from it, and until today, alhamdulillah, it's one of the things that have helped me with not having to watch TV and movies and, you know, watching this and that. It doesn't bother me.
You were never into it in the first place.
Not at all.
Many people, they might get engaged in this kind of stuff, and then when they want to turn to the religion, they find it really hard to give up these shackles. And obviously, if you never had it in the first place, then there's no issue. Interesting.